In a world where success is often defined by speed, a checklist of achievements, and an unending external pursuit, we invite you today to discover a deeper, more authentic meaning of success. It's a success not measured by what you possess, but by what you feel within. A success that stems from the depths of the soul, nourished by deep awareness, and flourishing with the true peace you find in every moment you live with gratitude. Hello, I'm Layla, and I'm delighted to meet you here to contemplate together the topic of defining conscious success for women. As a modern woman, you skillfully navigate countless roles: a mother, a wife, a daughter, a friend, and an ambitious professional. You strive to balance immense and growing responsibilities, often finding yourself exhausted, searching for a single moment of calm amidst this continuous clamor. Success can seem like an endless race, demanding all your energy and ultimately leaving you drained and disconnected from your true essence, from the self that yearns for peace and tranquility. This frantic pursuit of perfection and external achievements can become a trap, consuming your energy and obscuring your view of the beauty and value in your daily life. But what if I told you that true success doesn't lie in adding more to your to-do list, but in mastering the art of conscious living and building a life that nourishes you from the inside out? The success we speak of here is not just about the list of external accomplishments you set for yourself, but about the quality of your daily life. It's in your incredible ability to remain grounded and calm, no matter the surrounding circumstances. It's in your discovery of your inner strength that enables you to give generously without depleting your precious energy. When you live consciously, success becomes a continuous journey of growth and evolution, where every small step is a true victory, and every moment of calm is a precious reward that nourishes your soul. I hope I have offered you practical and gentle recipes. These are not food recipes, but the essential ingredients for a lifestyle that nourishes your soul, strengthens your mind, and grants you the peace you truly deserve. These recipes are, at their core, small habits, profound insights, and simple daily practices meticulously designed to help you to reduce stress and anxiety, to find your own sanctuary for deep rest and recovery, where worries fade with every breath, to build unshakable inner strength, to face life's challenges with resilience and unwavering confidence, drawing from your inner calm, to make self-care a top priority, to give yourself the love and attention you need to flourish and shine in every aspect of your life, to find true balance between all of your multifaceted life aspects, to attain the tranquility you yearn for and live a complete, integrated life. These simple ingredients, when consciously and attentively integrated, create a life rich in meaning, filled with deep peace, and successful by your own chosen standards. This is my invitation to you, conscious woman, to join a community of women who choose to live with peace, strength, and awareness. I also hope that our channel, Quiet Pauses, becomes your practical guide, your constant source of inspiration, and your safe haven on your journey toward true success. Explore every video within it and let each recipe be a secret ingredient added to your unique formula for a successful life filled with awareness, serenity, and the flourishing you truly deserve. Always remember, you deserve a life filled with awareness, peace, and true success that resonates deep within your soul.